With this thought, good morning to all present here. I am Emily Rohit of class first B to host this morning assembly. Let's begin our day with by offering God. So I call prayer team for prayer and state anthem. Some thoughts are so powerful they can inspire and even change our thinking pattern. So for sharing a thought, I call Manish ST. Good morning. Good morning to all of you. I am Manish of class first B, and today's thought is when you know better, you do better. I repeat once again, when you know better, you do better. Thank you, Wednesday. Thank you, Manish for your thought. Enriching ourselves with new words is a way to improve our vocabulary skills. So to improve and even change our thinking pattern. So I invite Panush to say any word. Hi, good morning teachers and my dear friends. My name is Bhanushri. I am studying in first grade. Today's word is this. Spelling D-I-S-S. This is meaning plate or container for food. Its example sentence is this dish is strong. Thank you. Have a marvelous day. Thank you, Bhanushri. A good conversation is a improve our knowledge. So I call Nitya and Danya for today's conversation. Good morning to all. My name is Danya. I am from first B. Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning.
My name is
My
Nitya.
name is Nitya. I am from first B.
Today
Today we are a conversation. Hi, my name is Nitya. What is your name? I am Danya. Nice to meet you, Nitya. Nice to meet you too, Danya. Where are you from? I am from Sorahalli. I am from Manavatti. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I am going to the mall with my family on today. I am going to the park with my family. Okay, bye bye. Okay, bye bye. Thank you, Nitya and Danya. News is a way to know about what's happening around the world. So I call Janavi sister today's news updates.
Class 7th as today's news reader. Dawn sends first deportation flight to India. Together we can defeat cancer. A cancer awareness really was organized as part of World Cancer Day in Shimoga on Tuesday. SC6 replay from center. NMC on Priya for fresh NEET PG counselling. Kumbha Stampede told suppressed, says SP. Chelsea are climbed to 4th with 2-1 win. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Janavi sister. National anthem is the resemblance of our nation's pride and respect. I request all of you to stand attention. Prayer team, please come forward. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.